What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing the Cuddle Team Specialist from Fortnite OG. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw the outside frame of the goggles. We're going to start right in the center with a point. From here we're going to angle this down and out towards the left. Go back up to the top, angle this down and out towards the right. Now going back up to the top, we're just going to round out the left side. We're going to go up, round this out, come down, and do the same thing on the right side. Now I want to curve this out so it gets wider as you come down towards the bottom. And just curve the bottom, coming down and then up on the inside. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Going out and then down, and we'll round out the bottom. Let's go all the way up towards the top. We're going to draw two circles. And line it up on the right. And we draw a smaller circle in the center. Along the bottom, we're going to draw two larger circles. So let's start on the outside, go all the way around, up, and then out. And you want to line it up on the right side. Let's draw a smaller circle in the center. In between, we're going to add a curve, going up and then down. Let's go up to the top, going up and then back down. Now we're going to come down and draw a heart for the nose. Let's start with a point in the center. Go up, down, and then in towards that center point. Go back up to the top, going up and around the right side. Now I'm going to surround the nose with the muzzle, starting at the very top in the center, curve around the left side, come around the bottom, and just pull that up toward that center point. Now I'm going to go back up, go around the right side, come down, and then up in the middle. Let's open up the mouth, starting on the left, come down and up. I'm just going to trace that along the outside of the chin. Now I'm going to go back to the outside of the goggles and add that strap. I'm going to start with a straight line going out, go straight down, and then back in, and then we'll line that up on the right. Let's tuck the chin in underneath that strap, starting right in the center, curve this down. Now I'm going to go across just underneath the mouth and then bend that back up on the right side. Let's go all the way up to the top. We're going to draw two angled straps. Angle this up and out towards the left and right. Let's flatten this off, coming down the side, and then angle that back in. Now in between the straps, we're going to add the hair. Let's start from this point, bend this up and across. Bend this down towards the center of the head. Let's add one more point, going out and then down towards the strap. Now let's tuck the side of the head in behind the straps. We're going to step down, curve around, then down toward the left, and then do the same thing on the right side. Let's add the ears in between the straps. We're going to start on the top left, curve around, down, and then in, almost like a half circle. And then we'll line it up on the right side. Now I want to trace the ears along the inside. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We'll start over on the left side, underneath the chin, bend this out and then down towards the hip. Go to the right side and do the same thing, coming down towards the same height. Close off the bottom with a curve. Let's go back to the left hip, step up and draw another curve for the top of the belt. And we're going to add a heart in the center. Going up, come down and in, do the same thing on the right. Now let's move out to the side and add two lines across. From the belt, we're going to step up, add another curve, going across the vest. Step in, draw two lines coming down. Now let's come down towards the bottom of the belt. Just going to angle this down and in. And then we'll round out the bottom. Now I'm going to go back up to the top. We're going to add the collar coming down and then up. And then from the collar, draw two lines, one on the left, one on the right. And then we'll add a curve going across the pockets. Along the bottom of each pocket, we're going to add a small square. Let's move up and draw a strap going across the shoulders. So from the top of the body, we'll step out. bend this around, and then in on top of the belt. Let's go back to the center, step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Leave a small gap in the middle, go to the left side, we're going to bend the leg, going out and down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and then down towards the right heel. And then we want to round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start with the left side, coming down and up towards the outside of the foot. Let's go back to the left side, we want to curve the foot, going up. Let's bend this down, aiming towards the heel, and we'll angle this up and then in towards the inside of the leg. Now we're going to go back up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg. Let's start with the left, going out and then down on top of the foot, and then we'll do the same thing on the right. Let's add that thick sole across the bottom of the feet. We're going to take this curve, step up, and trace that across on both sides. And then from the top of the foot, we're going to step up, add another curve for the top of the boot. Now over on the left side, we're going to step up and draw one more curve. On top of the boots, we're going to add a heart-shaped knee pad. Starting from the outside, we're going to go up and then down, go up and then out. Let's add a trim across the inside legs, going up, across, and then down. Now I'm going to go back up to the top and draw the inside edge of the arms. From the bottom of the strap, let's step up. It's going to bend the arm, going out and then down towards the wrist. Line that up on the right, and then from the wrist we'll draw a small half circle for the thumb, and we'll close off the end with a bracket. Directly underneath the thumbs, we're going to add 3 fingers. Let's start on the left. We're going to come down and bend this up around that bracket. Let's step down again, curve the second finger going around, and then the third finger we're going to go all the way around and bend that up and then in underneath the head. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. From the wrist, we're going to step up, add a curve for the edge of the gloves. Let's step up and draw that again. Now on the side of each arm, we're going to add a half heart. Let's start on the left, we're going to go up and in, bend that back out. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw the Cuddle Team Specialist from Fortnite OG. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.